So here's a new way to take a group observation. In the top right of your screen, click on the Add Learning Event button. You'll see a list of all the children that you've got access to. And what you can do, you can either choose an entire group or class, or you can choose individual children if you want to. So you can just pick a few children like I'm doing here. Once you have your children, click on the New Story or New Observation button at the top. We're going to choose a story. It's got all the same elements as the story had before. You'll see the children that we're copying this to, and we just enter our details down below. There's a few links down the bottom. We're going to come back to those in a second. But let's add in some content. I'm going to do something quite basic. And remember, you do have access to the personalized tags up above. So if you want to make this individual for each child, you can use the first name, last name, and the pronoun variations. So I'm just going to personalize this for these children. We have the same options of attachment and links. And then down the bottom, we've got these extra steps. So if you want to jump straight to your images, you can do that here. I'm going to upload a few images that I already have saved. Now you can load up to 20. You probably have seen that. So I've got these few photos here and I'm going to upload them. And then I'm going to click on the Apply to Selected Children down below. So this is going to add all these photos to all these children. But what if I don't want all these photos for all these children? Well, I can just remove the ones that I don't think apply to the children using the trash can for each child for that photograph. So I'm just going to go through that, make some changes, and then if I wanted to use the child's voice or the next step section down below, I could do that, but I'm just going to jump straight to review this. We've got the same publishing options. I'm just going to publish this for everybody, and I'm going to click on Publish here. And it just gives me a little review of what we've just done. Back on our dashboard, we can see there's all the observations that we've added, and we've got this little group icon to show it was created by this new method. We also have on our dashboard this grouped activities tab. What this will allow me to do is to actually make changes to all the entries I've just created at once. So if I realize that I've made a typo, I can find my entry in here. There's my one that I've just done. I can unpublish this by clicking the Unpublish button, and once I've confirmed that, it will take me back into the process and I can make whatever changes that I would like. Just go back through this process, and that's going to update all the observations that I'd copied. So instead of you having to do that for each child, you'll be able to do it just for all of them at once. So this is another way that you can create group observations. Hopefully you'll find this useful.